of buying stuff from the grocery store. So let's go ahead and make some homemade pizza dough for buffalo chicken pizza. So we're gonna take a big old bowl like this. We're gonna go ahead and add in 1.5 cups of warm water. Not hot, not cold, but warm. I'm thinking like 105 to 110. 2.25 teaspoons of active dry yeast. And make sure you're buying one that's not got bioengineered food ingredients. About a tablespoon of honey. Like that, mix it up a little bit, and we're gonna let this sit for just about 10 minutes or so. This yeast to bloom. After about 10 minutes, we should get something just like this. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cups of this into the bowl. Now I'm gonna just do a quick little mix here till it's about shaggy. Now, because this is freshly milled flour, we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 10 minutes so it can hydrate the dough, and we'll come back and knead for 10. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. It should be hydrated. Now we're gonna go ahead and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. And just like this. And then you're just gonna go ahead and cling wrap it and leave it sit for about an hour to an hour and a half. All right, so it's been a little bit over an hour. We're looking great. We're gonna go ahead and put this into 2 spices. Now, before we go ahead and get to business, we're gonna have to preheat the oven to 425 and get our stone out. So we're gonna go ahead and divide this dough right in half, because this makes about 2 mediums. Now, in my experience, this is not something that you really want to keep all the dough together and make like a super huge pizza. Unless you have a gigantic pan, it just tastes better. Do medium. So we're gonna go ahead and roll this thing out and get it to fit onto my pizza pan. This is what it looks like before we do the pre-bake. This is about to go in at 425 for just around 5 to 6 minutes. And if you want to do stuffed crust, this is the time to put your stuffed crust, all the cheese on the edges here, and fold this stuff over on the edge, over top of your cheese. And here's what the crust looks like at about 5 minutes at 425.